Hello, good morning. I know this is um it's not already early morning, it's already late, but I just came from my brother's house because my niece last week informed me that I received mail, and I think it's one of those if I think what it is let me hold this. So it is from the treasury. So I am guessing this is my third stimulus check, and it looks like it arrived earlier than the second stimulus check, because the second stimulus check I received it, or it was made like 3 weeks, more than 3 weeks after they've started sending out the payments. And for this one, I calculated it's like 2.5 weeks, so it's a little faster than the second stimulus check. So this third stimulus check, they process the checks faster because I'm still receiving it on paper check. And the reason also I went to my brother's house is to make a copy of my income tax return, because I was thinking last week I'm gonna file my income tax early so I can put in the bank information. So I was hoping that they would send it directly to the bank, like a direct deposit. But the check was already mailed, so I was surprised, and then, well, pleasantly surprised. But today, since I was able to make a copy, I signed my income tax form, and I'm gonna go to the post office and mail it today. I also figured out that if I want to get my if there are futures, hopefully there are more stimulus checks, that they would send it on the direct mail, so I don't have to keep going to the bank, wasting gas and stuff. But and that would also make it faster, because I know most of the people who get it like on the first or third day or fourth day after, they already get the money, although they get deposited in the bank, but they cannot I know there were news I read that they cannot touch the money because the money is not yet available, or it's not yet paid yet by the revenue service. But it's still okay, because once your money is in the bank, then it's in the bank. If it's in a savings account, it will generate interest. But of course, if it's on checking, most usually there's no interest on checking. But that will also make it safer, because you don't have the chance of mail getting lost. Sometimes there are lost mails, especially in that subdivision where my brother was living. There's a lot of people complaining about mail misdirected or mailed to the different addresses. So but for now, I'm just happy. Well, I'm gonna open it first to see if it's a real check, if it's just because last time they sent me, when we were camping in that big campground in Chester, Texas, my niece gave me a letter because they thought it was the stimulus check. When I opened it, it was only statement that says the money I received, that $600 stimulus check for the second stimulus check, the money I received for that, I don't have to declare it as income, so I don't have to put it on my income tax. And they thought it was a check, and I was also like, oh well, the check is very early. But then it wasn't. But right now I have to open this and make sure it is. So bear with me, the camera is gonna move because this is not stable. I try to stabilize it there. Okay, I'm gonna open it and check. Hopefully it is, so I will be able to go to the bank and deposit it. Yes, it is. There it is, 1400. That's what I was qualified, because I have very low income, or almost no income. The income is actually below the poverty line, so hopefully they will start sending me more stimulus checks. But for now, I'll just go to the bank and deposit this. And right now I'm parked here at Walmart parking lot, just like before. I don't know if you can see it, because I was thinking of buying some supplies before going to my next campground. But for now, I'll just go first to the bank, then go to the Walmart to buy my supplies. But and hopefully there will be a fourth stimulus, although I read they were considering maybe sending monthly, but I don't know if that's monthly stimulus check or that's monthly for the child, I don't know what, for children or something. But I didn't know if that's true, but I'm just waiting. Hopefully they will send more, because this is a good help. This is a great help for us who needed money. And if they send this monthly, you know, even if it's smaller amount, it would even be better. Then it's important to have it direct deposit, so they don't have to keep driving back to my brother's house, or worse, if I go out of state during the summer, or maybe I was thinking already going out of state now, going north, because it's getting warmer here in Texas. This spring break season is almost over, but it's already in the 70s, and 70s in the car, it will feel like it's 80s, so it's gonna be warm, especially at night. So hopefully the nights will still be in the 60s, so that it will be comfortable inside the car when sleeping. So, and also an update, because I just came back from my sister's house, because her vacation is over, so I need to go to a different campground to camp. I mean, so I wasn't able to edit all the videos I had from our last big family camping from my friends. So I'll try to do that slowly, little by little, so you will be able to still watch some videos. And I know the phone internet, when you send it through the phone, the uploads, it's very slow. It works, but I can only send like maybe one per day, plus I have to edit my videos when there's sunshine or when it's sunny, so I can use my solar power to run my laptop. Otherwise I won't be able to process or edit any data. So for now, I'll just to tell you, I'm happy that you all are still watching my channel. Hopefully some of you who hasn't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It'll be a great help, you know. Hopefully you'll get monetized, so that you'll get some additional income. But for now, I'm happy the United States is helping their citizens, at least in this stimulus part. Hopefully they will not delay it if they have another one, and it looks like it's faster now, but we will see. Hopefully they will start sending it, because there's still a lot of people who are out of work and or looking for work. Some already stopped looking for work. That's why the data will look like it's decreasing, but I don't really know. I'm just relying on whatever I can read from the internet. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye bye.